Okay, this is the NeedOne. I believe it's a 28L cooling only humidor. I mean, obviously you can press this button, raise the temperature. What that's going to do, the fan in the back is going to shut off. And it's running now, but I don't think you can hear it. Let's go around to the back. Very, very minimal noise. What this is going to do if you raise the temperature is just going to shut the fan off, and then it's going to let the ambient temperature in the room rise. Now if you lower it, obviously it's going to kick the fan on, keep the air circulating, and there's a thing in the back keeps the cigars cool, and then here's the light. It has a good seal. I have random sticks in here just to show you what you can do. So you can move these around. This is not correct. This is actually, let's see, 20. No, I have 50. So this is going to be my aging setup here. So I keep the temperature low, as you've seen, at 61, and I keep the humidity low at 58. But when you age cigars, you want the temp and humidity to be low. And then with this seal, it's almost like a, I mean, it's thick, it's durable. The glass is really thick also. You're looking at your RH being almost 3% higher than your Boveda packs that you put in here. So my hygrometers are actually calibrated very well for temperature and humidity, and they're reading about 62 to 63% with 58 Boveda packs. So you could put like a 65 in here, and it's going to run at around probably 69%. I would put a 62 if you're more of a 65% person. I would put a 62% in here, and you'll get that 64 or 65-ish range. You have to remember that with these airtight humidors, along with airtight Tupperware containers, your Bovedas are going to, the humidity is going to be more in the airtight containers, because the wood and normal traditional humidors expand, contract, and all that. Like I said, I just threw random cigars in here just to kind of show you. I mean, I got Fuentes, just all that. I got a box up here. This is a box of Davidoff limited edition Lanceros, and it's the Millennium edition. Millennium Lancero limited edition collection. And I think this is box like 10,000 or something. Like, no, wait, let's see, 10,087. So, in here I have another reason why I keep the humidity a little bit lower is because I am more of a Cuban cigar smoker and Davidoff smoker. So you can see Padrones, Hoyo de Monterey, Bolivar. I got some exclusives in here. Exclusive to Turkey, Asia. I got some Trinidad La Trovas, Cohibas, Partagas is in here. Ramon Alones, just Davidoffs, Los Calaveras, just a little mixture of everything, really. I was looking through my phone screen, and these are a special custom blend Lancero. So they, you know, the cigars on my, they may look a little, I thought they looked a little moldy to the camera, but they don't. They're good. I always check. I'm always a big mold fear. I have like a fear of mold, so I always try to keep my Davidoffs and stuff. And I'm more if I have expensive boxes and stuff, I'll keep them in the box on the shelf. The fan is in the back right here. I can actually feel it blowing cool air. This is going up since the door, but I'm sure the hygrometer, these gobies, I have one on the top here. I have one in this drawer. You've probably seen it. It's right there. And I have one right here. So I just have it labeled top shelf, middle, bottom, even though they're not really evenly spaced. And there's more slots here for you to put more. You can order another drawer and pull a shelf out, put the drawer in, have 2 drawers. You can get rid of the drawer, buy more shelves, just have all shelves. You can take everything out of here and just fill it full of boxes. If you have bundles, wrapped bundles, just like this Mortal Coil right here, like if you get a bundle of these and you just want to just keep bundles in here, you can pull them out and just keep bundles stacked up. As far as boba packs go, I don't have near as many in here as I should, but like I said, everything's keeping humidity and temperature perfectly. It's right at 61 degrees, and the humidity sitting right at 63%. As we're speaking, I'm looking at it. This is 48, but my Gobi says 63. Which is fine. That's another main reason too. If you have Cuban cigars, you're gonna want to store them at a lower RH. And now the 69 rule has kind of been put down, and it's kind of like it used to be 70, 69. But everyone has their own preference, and I prefer my cigars to be a little bit on the drier side. So a 63% cigar, or a cigar that's sitting in 63% humidity is perfect for me. I live in the South, so it stays humid outside during the summer, so when you go outside, that cigar is going to soak up humidity anyway. You can see, I have, like I said, mainly Cubans and stuff. I have Atabays in here, along with all that stuff. So Padrones. We got a Monterey's, like I said, Caesars, Dominicanas. I got another box. It should be tomorrow. I'm having another box of Dominicana delivered, and we'll see. It should fit up here with this box. We'll have to check back and see if I do an update on this. The door is extremely reflective. The only thing I have against this humidor is when you get one of these, if you get one for your significant other for Father's Day or something, it's a little bigger than you think it is. It's about the size of a full grown, full done mini fridge. You can see this is accurate. It went up a degree because I had the door open for so long. You can turn the light on, and it doesn't produce any heat. You can just see. The reason I kept the box pushed back is because, the light's on top, so it's not really going to shine down to the bottom. You can't really see it anyway because there's a big reflection. It's like a mirror. My only complaint about one of these, if you get one for your significant other, is when you open the thing. So say you're opening it like this, you're like, okay, I'm going to put it right here. Well, the only thing is it's fine until you go to, okay, I want this cigar, that's fine. But you go to pull this shelf out, and you can't. And you can see it gets hung on the door. So you have to swing this door open almost 90 degrees, full open, to completely remove this tray or drawer or whatever, shelf. This drawer is the same way. The drawer feels a little tight, and that happened during seasoning. I used 84% Boveda packs for 2 weeks. But with this much wood, this is the only wood you have to cover. So this shelf, this drawer, this shelf, and this shelf. I probably should have just let it gone for a week and I would have been fine, but I wanted to be safe. So I left it running with 84% Bovedas for a couple of weeks, and I think this drawer kind of swelled up on me. I'll reach out to them and see if I can get another drawer. It doesn't, I'm one-handed in here, but it is kind of stiff to get in and out. So yeah, I mean, if you need one, obviously it's play on the name, I would definitely get, it's definitely worth it. You're looking at almost, I think this thing holds almost 300 cigars. I don't have near that, but I'm hoping one day just to see, something changed in me, my taste profile changed. So these mortal coils and stuff, these were bought when they came out. I don't really smoke, but I smoke Davidoffs and Cubans just because they're lighter bodied. Every cigar smoker knows that your taste profile changes. All these Fuentes, they came in a bundle that I bought. There's somewhere in this drawer, this drawer probably has about 30 cigars in it. They're just stacked on top of each other, but somewhere in this drawer is an Opus X. So I bought two Opus X's, and in order for me to get 2 Opus X's, I had to buy a bunch of other Fuentes too, like Chateau King something, King B's, and stuff like that. They all came in like a bundle together. So I don't know if it'll focus on that. It's a double. Oh, it's upside down. Let's see, double Chateau Fuente MD. So I mean, I keep them. One day my flavor profile might change back to where I want, a little fuller body cigar. So I have Davidoff late hours and stuff like that when I want one now. It's not as full bodied as some. So and I have custom blends for my guy that I know. So it's all good. There's nothing really bad to say about the Humidor other than, it's quiet, the light. You got to watch where you put your cigars because you got the light here. So if you want the light to shine all the way down, you have to kind of not block it. So you're going to want anything not blocking. So you want your cigars pushed back and you want the light to shine all the way to the bottom. You're going to have to push all your cigars toward the back. It would be nice if they had a light here, a light here, a light here. And just in these empty spaces where there's nothing, there could be a light there. Maybe in the light on the bottom. Yeah, that would be cool. I could see that. And then the only other downfall is, like I said, when you go to store the thing, you're like, oh, I'm going to put it here. But if you can't open this door 90 degrees almost, it probably, let's see. Okay, if you can't open the door 85 to 90 degrees, then you're gonna have trouble pulling this out. So now you can see it's open straight, boom, hits, open it up, doing there we go. It's like a 90-degree angle, just open. You have to keep it like that, and that's a downfall for me. Other than that, though, finding a space to put it and just season it with Boveda. Don't use distilled water because it will just swell. You'll be good to go. It seals really well, as you can hear. It seals really well. So yeah, you'll have to forgive the reflection. The bed's a mess. The kids have been sick. It's summertime. The kids have been sick, so they've been kind of piling up in my wife's room. My wife and I's room. So they kind of sleeping with her. They don't feel good. They want mama's love. So yeah. Trying to let it go quiet, so maybe you can hear the fan, but you can't. I mean, it's perfect. So yeah, if you're thinking about one of these, definitely pick one up. I think there's a coupon on Amazon, and they said they would give me a coupon code. When they do, I'll update the description in the video to that with my coupon code, if they give me one. And then I'll also reach out and keep you updated in the description about how the other box of Dominicanas fit up here, and how they are with sending me another drawer, because I would like to have another drawer. That would just make it easier on me. So, yep. I appreciate it, everybody, and hope you liked the video. Thank you.